Hello everyone, welcome back with another very useful and informative video. In this video, I'll show you how you can record calls on your iPhone device after updating your iPhone device to the latest version iOS 26. So if you have updated your iPhone device to the latest version iOS 26 and now you want to record calls on your iPhone device, then here in this video, I'll show you how you can record calls on your iPhone device. So first of all, here you need to tap on settings in your iPhone device. So after that, here you need to scroll down and tap on general. Then tap on soft update, and first of all you will need to make sure that you are using an updated version of iOS. If you're not using an updated version of iOS, then here you will have to update your iPhone device to the latest iOS version. So after that, here you need to close this tab, again open settings in your iPhone device. So after that, here you need to scroll down, then here you'll need to search for phone app. So here you'll need to search for phone app. So here is that, you'll need to tap on this. Then after that, you will see this tab interface. Here you will see the different options. So first of all, here, so if your iPhone device is compatible with this feature, then here you need to scroll down, and here you will find the option of call recording option in your iPhone device. If your iPhone device is compatible with this feature, here you can see that my device is not compatible with this feature, that's why call recording option is not showing up in here. Then here, if your iPhone device is compatible with this feature, then here you will find the option of call recording in your iPhone device. Then after that, you will need to turn on the call record feature in your iPhone device. Then after that, you will be able to record calls in your iPhone device. So if your iPhone device is not compatible with the call record option, then how you can record calls? Here just you will need to make calls in your iPhone device. Then after that, here you need to open control center in your iPhone device. So after that, here you will have to record the screen of your iPhone device. Then after that, call recording will be working on your iPhone device. Then you will be able to record calls in your iPhone device if your iPhone device is not compatible with that. So that's it from this video. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please subscribe my channel and also press the bell icon so that you can get my all upcoming videos. Thanks for watching this video.